Hi guys, I'm Filvet, and today I'm gonna show you a video. Actually, I want to record series of videos about creation of this hologram. Let me show you a bit closer. So my plan is move step by step. The first one, I'm gonna import my character, my robot with animation. Also, I will apply textures. Next step, I want to create this race. After that, I'm gonna create this screen, actually this screen hologram, right? And last one, I want to put this lens flare to my character. I will attach it and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so let's start with our first step. So here is our new project. Let's choose maybe third person. Create. So here's our new scene, new project. And I want to create a folder for my character. And I want to call it robot. Correct. Let's open it. And at first I should import my rig and then mesh with my character. So in this way, Apex rig. Let's put it here. And also we should uncheck this import animations for our rig file. Okay, let's close it. And now we can import our Apex Animesh file. Okay. Now I want to put my character to my scene. Let's save this scene. Okay. Now I want to try and play. Okay, it's moving. Awesome. Now it's disappear from my scene. I don't know why it's happening in Unreal, but again, if I will play, here is my character, and again, I cannot see it. So I guess I should restart my project. And now we can see our character again. Here is it. Okay, and also I want to import my race mesh and my hologram screen. And by the way, I want to tell you that I did it in a little bit tricky way. I imported animation for my screen and my race. It's not proper way, but again, I did it just for presentation. So as a final result, I want to get a video where my robot is moving and I can show my character, my hologram, and so on. But if you want to put this hologram, like to glue this hologram to your character, to this gadget on his head, right? You can put it to the rig of your character, like I will do with this lens flare. Okay, so let's do the same for our race. Let's create folder. Let's call it hologram race. Oops. Hologram race. Awesome. So here is our race rig. Let's put it here. Don't forget to uncheck import animations. Next step is holo race animesh. Okay. Okay, let's close. And I want to put this hologram race to our scene. Now I want to set up coordinates in the same way like for our character, right? So X and Y axis. And last one, I want to import my screen for my hologram, right? So let's just call it hologram. Just hologram, yeah. Hologram. Okay, so holo rig. Again, uncheck import animations. And next one is holo animesh, this one. Let's put it to our scene and let's do the same for our hologram screen. Let's put the same value to our y-axis. Now I want to save my project and try to play again. And we can see that it's working. But unfortunately, again, I don't know why, but my hologram at my hologram screen disappeared from my scene. Again, just restart. Probably, I don't know proper solution, but after restart it works fine. Okay, so now it's working. Let's check. Yeah. Now we can see our race and our screen. Next step, I want to import my textures. And for our left side. Now I want to apply textures to my materials for my character. Let's delete this parameter. And I want to hold T and press left click. So in this case, I can create this node for texture sample. So now it's base material. So in general, I have 3 materials for left side, right side, and middle. Okay. Let's do the same for our metallic texture. Next one is roughness. Base roughness. Right. Now emissive. Let's move it higher. Now let's import our normal. And our AO, ambient occlusion. Awesome, now let's apply and save our material. Furthermore, let's do the same for our right side material. We can just right here, right, and select our base color. Again, right, metallic. Right. Roughness. Let's move it slightly higher. I don't have emissive texture for my right side, and in this case it should be normal. Right, normal, and AO, ambient occlusion. Right, AO. Apply and save. Yeah, so now we should do the same for our left side. Again, let's delete this parameter. Now let's write left base color. Left metallic. Left roughness. Left normal, and last one left AO. Yeah, correct. Apply and save. Okay, so As you can see, my screen, I did it like a separate material for my screen, just because in my original project I created a glitchy effect, so it looks more interesting. But I don't want to show this process, so I will just import my static texture. So let's open screen material. Base color. Base emissive, and it should be enough for our screen. Yeah, now it's working. Now I want to change settings for my character. So I should open this section. Open build settings. No, wait a second, it's auto saving. Okay, so I want to turn off these settings and save. I remember that with these settings I was struggling with my lighting in scene. So for example, lighting was coming through some objects, like through his chin or through his arm. It was not working correctly. And when I changed these settings, after that it was working properly. Okay. Moreover, I want to change settings for my textures. Actually, for my roughness. Let's save our project at first. So I want to open my texture, roughness texture, and unplug this sRGB setting. Let's save. And actually, I want to show you at first why I'm doing it. Because right now you can see that my material, it looks very glossy, right? Like very shiny. It looks weird. So to fix it, that's why I want to unplug this sRGB. And last one. And now it looks a little bit weird. How to fix it? We should go back to our material, switch to some other texture, and then again to roughness. And again apply and save. And it's working. Let's do the same for our left side. Roughness, apply and save. And our right side. And again, apply and save. Let's check how it looks like. Now it looks way better. Yeah, our character looks fine. Let's check again. Yeah. So the next step will be our race for hologram.